dash camera reviews. What it's really like behind the scenes doing all these dash camera videos of all these new products that are constantly coming out. And you wouldn't believe how many times in the last year I've gotten conned where I've been sent a product that's supposed to be final production to then compile all the videos, contact the manufacturer and go, hey, I'm going to be putting out this video and it's terrible. Like the video quality is just junk and you think you're going to get this amount of money for this product? To then find out and get messages like this one right here. Actually, this product is early pre-crowdfunding version, pre-production. It's not even final production. Driving around compiling footage for weeks to actually get video footage so that we can actually make videos and show you guys so that customers can make proper buying decisions. So then they send me, here we go, here's the final production unit. We get the final production unit, put it in the vehicle. Okay, now I feel good. I have a final production unit. I'll go compile footage again. And then guess what? I find there's corrupt video files. So now there's corrupt video files. So what, I'm supposed to put this on my YouTube channel and show you guys how it performs? You're going to go buy this product and the video files are going to fail? That's what you need the dash camera for. And then another update, this will fix it. And another update, this will fix it. And now they've sent me yet another update that supposedly fully fixes it. And the thing is, I just want to rip it out of the vehicle. This is really starting to get very irritating. You know, I can light all these companies up, but it's really starting to get irritating. And Viofo is one of the only brands that seems to be working good. And then occasionally we find some challenges and we're trying to, we use our YouTube channel to try and like pressure them to make a couple little subtle changes here and there. And it seems like we've gotten some of those changes pushed through, which is great, which is kind of nice because we are a Viofo dealer and we know a lot of other Viofo resellers. So when they find an issue, we try and test it. The thing is, instead of me delivering content to what people are looking for so they can make proper buying decisions, I'm spending all this time in the background running a full-time business, installing 5 days a week, creating YouTube content, and on top of that, I'm testing all these products when we find little issues because we want to make sure the product is perfect, especially to the end client. And that's mainly because we're running a business.
Who texted me?
So we have all these decisions we have to make on putting content out on our channel. And every time we put a product out, we're propping them up. Because if somebody sees something saying, hey, that's got amazing video quality, and they're buying it, but it's got all these other problems in the background. And the last couple of times that we've actually exposed brands for issues with their product, we've had, well, I'm not even going to bring it up on YouTube, but let's just say we've had some incidents that have been not fun to have to deal with in the background. For instance, we actually did a review a little over a year ago on another company with all the issues they had with their brand. And these are the types of things that we have to deal with and I have to be careful of now. The problem is we're trying to use our platform to expose to leverage these companies to fix their products and get it proper so that when we can put out a review. But instead I see over and over again, all over Google and all over YouTube, all these influencers saying how perfect certain products are and how they're so great and you need to buy it. It's one of the top reviewed. Meanwhile, I secretly have that unit in my vehicle with tons and tons and tons of issues with it. It is not reliable. And the thing is, do I expose it or do I not? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think we should start exposing all these issues with all the products that are out there? Or do you think we should keep our mouth shut and give them a chance to fix it? Because I've been waiting too long for some of this stuff to get fixed. And I mean, I easily can put out a Viofo review. Their product's been great. The only problem is every time I want to do a comparison to another brand that isn't Viofo, I can end up continuously finding issues with the other brand that I'm trying to compare with. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And this is just a little bit of a venting session of just getting tired of wasting so much time testing these products, talking to other people who are also testing the products that are finding the same things, and they're not putting out videos because we're just sending it to the manufacturers to get them to try and fix it. Anyways, I'm Ben from Safe Drive Solutions, and I guess that was my vent session.